Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, December 27th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So pretty quiet day. For me, there were good opportunities early. I didn't do much in the afternoon from after I period. I'm going to be treating this as an inside day again. We took out Friday's high literally by a couple of ticks. So basically an inside day I'm treating it as, okay? Russell, kind of the same. They took it out there. And by the way, ES has a poor high on the day. SPY does not. Russell has a poor high in the day. You can basically treat that as an inside day again. Q's a different story. Q's inside day down, but didn't get all the inside days down in the Q's. Up for us and Russell did nothing. Nobody really got paid for it. But I can't call Q's an inside day again. They took it out by at least 50 cents. But pretty much a B shape. Very quiet day. The volume was under 50 million at 4 o'clock. So very, very quiet. We're only at 47 million. But again, had a decent day. 11 wide for ES, 10 wide for SPY as far as my trading. So I missed the short in A. I had, when it came down, it came back up. I tried to short 54 right before the 9:45 turnover. Didn't get it, and it spit out down 10 handles in a heartbeat. So that one really upset me that I missed it. I did short B period twice, so that was nice. F period, took a short. Well, first off, I missed a short in C. When it came back in, should have shorted around 70. It would have been a good trade. I did short F period with no tempo. That was nice. And then in G period, actually took a long, thinking it could be an afternoon pullback low initially. I took a 3 lot, which paid me nice. At the time, it was value low at the time. I got paid on that. And again, I took a long in I against G's low initially, which paid me before it came in. Now, I was looking for longs as we pulled back, but I wanted to be either closer to the day's low or to make a new low and fade the extreme. Q's never took out the IB high or low. They stayed inside the IB high and low all day. Never saw the opening after A period either. We never saw the opening after F. So, and that was my last trade, right? It went up. That was it. So it was a decent day for a slow day. As far as destinations, upside is 10 wide at 381.95 in SPY. E's low. Today's high 383.15. And then you should have the other ones. To the downside, we have today's low of 379.65, daily low 378.03, and a weekly low of 374.77. ES, today's low is 37.25, then 21.25 daily low, and 88.50 weekly low. On the upside, 61.75, 11 wide. They ended. We only ended 10 in SPY. High is 73, and it's a poor high. Then you have 75.50 daily high, and I'm carrying forward 93.75, which was a 22 wide overnight POC. So basically today, what happened? Well, it was short covering Friday, short covering pre-market. So what happens when the short covering walks away? It comes in. Nobody makes a market, and that's exactly what happened. And the market got too short, came back up, and we played a little rotational game throughout the day. Now, let's go to the chart. Believe it or not, I don't usually do this, but a lot of people ask me to look at different stocks. Boy, oh boy, I looked at Tesla about 10 days ago and nailed that. I said below 166, and we're going to go see 110. Well, we got it today. And actually, I actually bought 25 shares at 110.10. I wouldn't buy another share until $91. Now, one day there's a market in it. I'll show it to you in a minute. But let's go to SPY real quick. So SPY is a 3-day balance. I will treat this as an inside day again. So if we come out of it, again, you go with it and monitor it for continuation or lack of. We had no continuation today. Or if we come out of it to the downside, then you should take out both Friday's low and attempt to get to Thursday's balance low. So tomorrow, we will have inside day rules and balance rules in effect. And just for you sports fans, let's look at Tesla. So people have been asking me about Tesla. So when Tesla was at 167, 170 this month, I started looking at it for some people. And I said, look, if you get below 165 in Tesla, your next destination initially will be 126. Bingo, got there. I said, if that doesn't hold, 110. Bingo, got there today. Okay? Now, if we don't hold 110, again, one day doesn't make a market, 91 would be your next level. And it could get even dicier from there. But I just did it like literally 25 shares just to see if we hold 110 the first time. And that was the same on the weekly chart. Everything is still the same. So here's that low I was looking at right here from August of 2020. Now, if that doesn't hold, here's your next big level on the weekly, which would be 91. Then we're starting to talk into the 80s. Amazing. Anyway, I hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Remember, I'm holding that special until January, the end of this week, through my Venmo at Paul-Asmar, $75 for 3 months. If you want to come check us out. Doesn't get any cheaper than that. Otherwise, for now, I am going to be keeping it $30 going into next year. I'll decide at some point next year, maybe after the first quarter, if I do raise it. But for now, we will keep it at 30. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.